function you're taking is wrong. Welcome back to my channel. So what I mean about taking is wrong, I mean, let's look at the function. As you already know, a function, they have a function, they will have the name, a keyword function, of course, the name, the parameter, and the logic inside. So what I want to talk with you today is the parameter function. So if you take the parameter wrong, that means you already take half of the function wrong. So the first thing I want to solve the logic first. I will give the simple logic here is lock, and I will lock what keep into the function is para. Alright, and the name, I will give this the example. I will wait around this. So what I want down here is I want to run this function, and okay, the direct run function, and what I keep here is which transfer into the param. So what I keep here, maybe I want to give 1 2 3, right? And I will close this. I will open this first, and let's use, and you will see the example already give us the number 1 2 3. So what if I change this into string or boolean, or undefined, or any kind of primitives value will return us that easily. But what happens if I give this an object? If I pass into here an object, and because an object, if we only pass something like this, of course we will got a reference error. That means JS do not understand what we point to, where we point to, what do we mean about object. So we need to define object. The first thing, okay, I will change here into info because I will use the object work a lot. I don't want you to get confused. Okay, I will define a new variable is info, and I set this to an object with the properties key is name, and the value I give is my name. I save this, and JS already give us the object with key and value is name and QQ, and I want to lock the name. I only want the value only. Yes, so this simple, right? So what if we want to change the name? I mean, we handle the logic here to change the info name that the console log print. So what we want here is you want to change the name into maybe Harry. I will comment here, edit name into Harry. So we will call the param, we point to property key, and we change it to Harry. Okay, semicolon here. I save this, and now I want to print, because I already run this and I delete the console log, so I want to log this again to observe the results. I will log the info dot name, and what we want is we want the property value here change into Harry, and we will see will work. Okay, it's not working. Why? Let me see. Here. So we're not giving the info name here because what we need here is a parameter, and because in the previous before that I logged is info name, so I transfer it to here as an info name. But now I work with an object, so I want to give it to here info only, the object only, and let's see. You see it's working fine. We got the result we expect is Harry. So stop here for a moment. There's some concept talk about this behavior of JS is what we actually do here is here. What we give into here, they said that what we actually do is we copy the address of this object, this info object. I mean, well, let me call the info object. Right. So let's back into memory. So I assume that you think about how function work is like this, but I tell you this is not correct, because in MDM you find function for me, function in MDM, and you find here the passing argument, and you read this. The argument always pass by value and never pass by reference. Now I will explain on the whiteboard. The first thing, of course, before anything, that we have to define a function because we work with it. So the function we have name, of course, and we have address. Address is very important. You see, the thing that they copy the address into pass into the function. This variable we point to a value is object, okay, a root object, and this root object have value, and point to this through a key. Its name. This whole thing is value. This whole thing is value. So when we pass here, we pass info in here. They said that pass info in here, and function here we will receive the info, and this info inside this function called param. So it must be param here. It must be param here. That they said it will copy. Maybe copy is creating a new variable with the key name is a value is this, and maybe the memory will work something like this. This here is point to here, and because this thing copy here, maybe it will take something from here, or they said that this thing maybe point to this, but this is not so correct because this address belongs to info only. So what they said is they create a new value and copy from this. And this does not make sense. It does not make sense. What actually happened here is when you call a param, it will point, it needs to point to a value. But this value is a value that we already define up here. Here. The param will take the value, the value of its object here, and it will take the property of this value. And what it do, it will change the params value into Harris. So here in this MDM, we got an example. That's after the object of Brian set to Toyota, and the set the object is new. Okay, I will code this. Edit object. So here is edit param and param here set to new. So what they expect here? The expect here is when we change the info name to Harris, then we change this whole info, this whole object here, this whole object to new. I save this and let's see what happens. I want to lock the info to see what happens. Now see, right, we still got the info name work like normal, and the info is still an object with the property is name and Harry. So what happened? That's things here do not work like we expect. That's the info here do not change into null. It's not like null like this, but it's still the object that we define at the beginning. So here, when this line of code work, it will create a new variable. It's null, and the point will make from here to here. And this actually what actually happening. So my video here will end here today. Thanks for listening. Hope you will see you in the next video. And if you like my idea, please like and subscribe.